Hi everyone and welcome to Raymondo Lee Motors. So today we are taking a train journey from Liverpool Street Station in London to Tottenham Hale in London. I hope you enjoy it. Please make sure you smash that like and subscribe to the channel if you did. I'd really appreciate it. Enjoy.
Broxbourne, Rye House, St Margaret's, Ware and Hertford East.
Medium spice.
Come on, Mum. Put that back, put that right. Warmed up. Nice.
Spice.
We are now approaching Hackney Downs. Change for London Overground. To exit, use the front 6 carriages.
Another station into Hertford.
Yeah, it's alright. Very easy.
Do you not like the normal?
Really busy.
Yeah. Start with this.
There's a drink of a red shop and
Those carriages,
red one, so
Stand all the way last time. obviously we were a bit later last time, an hour or two later.
Yeah. No, 2 years ago.
Like Liverpool for like 3 years.
Hopefully it's on too, if we go to the theatre. So what any shows on, go to look into it, see what's available. Didn't like the Millennium Bridge.
Hackney Downs.
This camera did not like the Millennium Bridge.
The doors will not
Doors.
open on this section.
Yeah. What film it? I was trying to film walking across it first time.
This is the service to Hertford East. Next station, Tottenham Hale.
We'll see. Ready now in the island.
Yeah. That's not true.
Welcome to this service
That's not
for
charging it, but-
Hertford East.
I need to try and get the charge for that.
We will be calling at Tottenham Hale, Ponders End, Brimsdown, Enfield Lock,
Might make it in
Waltham
time
Cross,
if you're on.
Cheshunt, Broxbourne, Rye House, St Margaret's, Ware, and Hertford East.
Can't say we
Got any
haven't.
junk left for you to have one for us? No.
The next stop will be Tottenham Hale.
What's those carriages on those? Sea train.
Change
Those more
for
further up.
Victoria Line.
I think you were going to get in then with your ticket. That's all.
It's because I was trying to scan the right. I thought I'd opened up the new one, but I'd done the 2 adults and it was the child that I needed to get used to. But then you two went at the same time.
Did they?
Yeah. I only scanned it twice and you were like, God.
Oh, right.
I was just left on my own.
We are now approaching Tottenham Hale. Change for Victoria Line. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sort it.
That's the best one.
It's just the bloody biscuit. Oh, what's it about?
So you've had them in Spain, haven't
Not
you?
me.
You've already had them.
They're not me. They've been out before.